southwestern Atlantic, an area of disturbed weather located across portions of South Florida, the Florida Straits, and the northwestern Bahamas is expected to move northeastward, where an area of low pressure could form near the northwestern Bahamas. Some limited tropical or subtropical development is possible while the low moves northeastward to east-northeastward around 15 miles an hour. However, upper-level winds are likely to increase in a couple days, which should prevent any further development. Formation chance through 48 hours, low, 10%. Formation chance through 7 days, low, 10%. A storm surge watch has been upgraded to a storm surge warning, and a hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following counties. In Florida, coastal Charlotte, coastal Citrus, coastal Hernando, coastal Hillsborough, coastal Lee, coastal Levy, coastal Manatee, coastal Pasco, coastal Sarasota, inland Lee and Pinellas. A hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following counties. In Florida, DeSoto, Hardee, Highlands, inland Charlotte, inland Citrus, inland Hernando, inland Hillsborough, inland Levy, inland Manatee, inland Pasco, inland Sarasota, Polk, and Sumter. Milton was located near latitude 21.8 north, latitude 90.8 west. About 654 miles, 1052 kilometers west-southwest of Fort Myers, Florida. About 673 miles, 1083 kilometers southwest of Tampa, Florida. Milton is moving toward the east near 10 miles an hour, 17 kilometers per hour. This general motion is expected through tonight, followed by a turn toward the east-northeast and northeast on Tuesday and Wednesday. On the forecast track, the center of Milton is forecast to move near or just north of the Yucatan Peninsula tonight and Tuesday, then cross the eastern Gulf of Mexico and approach the west coast of the Florida Peninsula on Wednesday. Satellite data indicate that the maximum sustained winds have increased to near 180 miles an hour, 285 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Milton is a potentially catastrophic Category 5 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. While fluctuations in intensity are expected, Milton is forecast to remain an extremely dangerous hurricane through landfall in Florida. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 30 miles, 45 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 80 miles, 130 kilometers. The estimated minimum central pressure is 905 millibars, 26.73 inches. Now for the official national